Hey, g'day guys, it's Calvin from the Cartoon Company. Doing this LS400, giving it a bit of a tidy up. And the next little job I'm going to do is remove the front crank loom. It's a bit of a pain in the... it's a loom that doesn't come out really easily without pulling a bit of stuff off. So I've already stripped down the cam bout, taken the covers off, the intake manifold's already gone. But we'll just show this particular area, because I actually get asked about this quite a lot, and people don't realize that you need to pull the front cover off to do it properly. So this is the loom we're talking about. Runs down the front here. This one's got some damage in it and it's looking fairly scruffy. Plug's broken, plug's broken, plug's broken. It's been taped before, wear marks there. So if you're removing it to never put in again, you can just bend this cover up if you're an animal. Not really recommended, it's not the great way to do it. So let's pop that cam bout off. So I have lined up the marks already. Cam bout marks there, there, and in here. Tensioner off. Bout out of the way. Cam pulleys can come off. Now I had already loosened these bolts. And this one had heaps of Loctite on it. It was actually between the pulley and the cam itself as well, which is not ideal. And next we will remove this cover here. While I'm at it, I'm just going to whip the outside off. That also exposes cam seals and all the dirt that's in behind. Look at that. Undo this mounting nut there, bolt, and out comes that piece of loom. There we go. So I'm off to the bench. I'll give this a rebuild of some sort. I'm yet to come up with an exact plan of what I'm going to do with that, but I will sort something soon.